Welcome to the Resogra Vendor Academy. Running a store gets a lot easier when you build a simple weekly habit. In this short guide, I'll walk you through a 30-minute routine you can do once a week to stay on top of everything: your numbers, your orders, your reviews, and your stock. Grab a coffee and let's tour your panel together. Start with your numbers. Open Vendor Analytics under Seller Tools and look at the top row: your revenue, your orders, and your average order value. This is your command center. It refreshes every night, so once sales come in, this is the first place to check how your store is doing. Next, open your orders page. Every new order lands here, newest at the top, with the buyer, the date, and the amount. Your job each week is simple: look for any order still marked open and get it packed and on its way. Fast shipping is what turns a first-time buyer into a regular. While you're here, glance at the bottom of the list. Resogra adds up your paid orders for you, so you can see exactly what you've earned at a glance. Watching this number climb week after week is the best part of the routine. Now check your reputation. Open the reviews page under products. Every review a customer leaves shows up here, with the star rating, the message, and the date. Reading these each week tells you what buyers love and what you could do even better. Read what buyers actually say. A line like this one, praising your quality or your fast shipping, is proof that quietly sells to your next visitor. Earn more of them the honest way: give great service, then simply ask. Never buy reviews, and never fake them. Finally, keep your best sellers in stock. Open any product and check the in-stock number under Pricing and Inventory. If a favorite is running low, top it up right here so you never miss a sale. That's your weekly routine: numbers, orders, reviews, and stock, all in about 30 minutes. And that's it. A quick weekly loop through your numbers, your orders, your reviews, and your stock keeps your store healthy without eating your whole week. Do it every week and it becomes second nature. Thanks for watching, and visit resogra.com for more free vendor tutorials.